Look at that beautiful bird. UK. Come on, darling. The world's all going upside down. Sentinel Path. Isn't that lovely? 24th, 2nd, 2022 UK. Looking for food as well, and I don't have any bits and bobs I can give. Being frightened, but tiny little birds having to come off their trees because of this dying toxicity. Look, this is Nibiru planet system in UK skies. It's not a natural sunset. And nature's dying, the planet, and affecting human life as well. It's looking for any bits of crumbs it can find there. I think this world is end of times. It's already here. We're living it. Everything's been radiated off, affecting human life, animal life, bird life. Blessings to that little soul. That's beautiful. And nobody stops to see beautiful, innocent nature like that being destroyed too. We're all connected, you know. Look at the tail. Come on, darling, come this way. The radiation is affecting bird life around where I live, especially. There's a pet shop opposite. But look at that toxicity. Look at it. And then you see that a rare occasion. Beautiful, innocent, pure. Gotta go.